G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what I'd like to introduce to you today is the Stefani 10 litre Porcelain Water Purifier. Okay, so made by a Stefani, credible company, Australia. Basically filter for the people, these guys, we feel, and filter for the masses. So it's a good gravity filter where we pour the water into the top and the water slowly filters down through the candles and then collects in the bottom of the tank, okay? So they'll give you a great tasting water, get that chlorine taste out of the water and make it taste a lot better. And they do have a good cartridge, and it's got very good test results. Something I was actually a bit surprised about when I saw it on just how good those test results were, all right? So we'll take him out and have a quick look at it and see what we've got here. So straight off with the lid. Out she comes, beautiful, all in one go there. Okay, so this system actually takes 2 cartridges, all right, and there they are, all right, both the same. Information on the product. Obviously be in the bag, in the box there for you, ready to have a look up when you get there. A few do's and don'ts, 12 months warranty, those type of things, okay? And here's our little tap to go in there, all right? And obviously the lid is going to sit on the top when we're finished, okay? So we'll put this one together and we'll have a quick look at it, all right? Here's the tank. The outside, as in the tank, all sealed in one unit, so it can't leak. You can't overfill it. Basically, you'll fill it to the top here, and there's no joint in the middle like some other gravity filters like these, so it's never going to leak on you, this one here. It's nice and smooth on the inside, black in colour obviously, but it feels great, okay? And I've got no problem with that at all, really. The top tank, it is a plastic tank, okay? So the water will be sitting in plastic before it filters down into the bottom porcelain holding tank. And we'll put a couple of cartridges in that now and we'll take a look at it, okay? So first thing we'll do is put the little tap in. Just a standard little gravity water filter tap, and as normal with these, the rubber O-ring or washer goes on, and we get him right up the back of the base of the tap. Then we're going to put it through the hole. Once on the inside, one washer is going to go on, and then we're going to screw our nut on, okay? So push him through, on with the second nut on the inside, and then we're just screwing up the washer, okay? 2 cartridges in this one, so basically what that's going to do is filter the water at twice the speed. So normally these cartridges are run at about 1 litre an hour, so if you're going to have 2 in there, then you'll be making 2 litres an hour. If you fill it up before you go to bed of a night time, by the time you wake up in the morning, you'll be good to go. The bottom tank will be nice and full of water for you, okay? Do the tap up reasonably tight, don't get too crazy, but once you can do him up, you'll be good to go, okay? So we've now got the tap connected up, and we'll put the filters in the bottom of the top tank, okay? Now, the test results on here, 99.9% for bacteria, 99.9% for amoeba, 98 for chlorine, 99 for iron, 99.7 for copper, 99.6 for lead, 99.4 for zinc, and the list goes on. So it has got some quite credible test results there. Now here's the candle, all right? And what we don't want to do, try not to touch the top. You got a lot of oil in your fingers, so just don't go touching the top of the cartridge there, okay? These have a 12-month lifespan, these cartridges. So what we're looking to do is replace them every 12 months, all right? If you haven't got any gloves, feel free to get a bit of paper or something so that you can wrap it around the cartridge, just so we haven't got our oily fingers on the cartridge, all right? Same as the faucet, there's 2 rubbers with these. One rubber goes onto the bottom of the filter, put him through the tank, top tank, and simply screw the nut, locking nut, onto the thread there, okay? Screw him up tight. Now we want it tight, but we don't want to be abusive and go too crazy tight because they are a plastic thread on these, and but I'm putting a fair turn on that now, all right? And we do have to get a good seal, all right? If we don't have a good seal, then the water's leaking past and you won't be getting good filtered water, okay? So it's vitally important that when you put these cartridges in, as I am now, that you take a look at them and you make sure that they are sealed in the top tank, okay? Okay, once again, first washer on, push him through, second washer on, nut, we'll screw that up as well. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. If we can give you a look in there, we've got both cartridges, and as I suggested before, it'll pick up the speed of the water, make water faster for you, okay, and make great tasting water, all right? So the slower we filter water, the better water we create. So fill this tank up, get some water filtering down through those cartridges, and you'll be good to go. It's a good company. We got good test results on the cartridge, and it's going to give you very tasty water with that chlorine removed from it. You can still use this on the water tank as well. You might have noted there it was 99.9% removal rate for bacteria. So you can put rainwater in these as well, and you'll be good to go, no bugs in the water. So take a look on the page, let us know if we can help you in any way, and we'd be great, love to hear from you. Thanks very much.